everybody, Smith SC back again. I got a little throwback baseball break. I got one hobby box of 2004 Bowman draft picks. Picked this up for $30. Pretty cheap boxes because the autographs are not that good. I think there's Gio Gonzalez and Homer Bailey. But the best cards are probably Andrew McCutchen and Felix Hernandez. So let me open up all the packs and we'll go through the cards. Thanks for watching. Alright, all done. Open up all the packs. Let's go through them. Prospects, and this year had a blue line, the rookies green line, and vets had a red line. So, all Janus. Let's go through them as quick as possible. There's the thicker gold cards they have, one per pack, I believe. Holt Chrome, Suzuki Chrome, not bad. Sizemore, I believe, Burnett, Ford. Oh, there's a Chew green. That's pretty cool. Oh, I got a jersey card, a bonus hit. Jason Kubel. It says 2004 Futures Game. Not numbered. Cool little bonus hit there. Alex Rios. Trevor Poof. He's still playing. Minnesota. As in Desmond Gold. Spinning all around here. David Wright. Rookie card. I think it's greens for rookie. Cool. Forgot he was in this. There's Edwin Encarnacion. Ricky Weeks. Alright. Second half of that stack. Jackie Howe. Alright. Delman Young, rookie. Adam Lind. And a Desmond paper card. Coach Heath, Blake DeWitt. Not too much in this half. Justin Monroe and Dawn. Alright, I'll think the second half's a little bit better than the first half. I did get the jersey though. BJ Upton. Really going to have them all different direction. Robinson's Cano. Oh, there it is. Nice chrome. Felix Hernandez. Rookie card. It's a little off center left or right, so I don't think it's gradable. A nice chrome first year card of Felix Hernandez. Sweet. That's kind of what I was going for. If I can just get a McCutchen too, that'll be worthwhile. On Felix Hernandez paper base. First year card. Sweet. Tooth Hernandez. Houston Street. Jackson. It looks like I got a redemption. Of course, redemptions are going to be expired. I hope it's not a monster. It'll make me sick. A little bit. Jackson. Oh boy. It's expired in 2005. So I doubt they're going to accept this. Let's see what it is. Congratulations. You receive a Bowman Chrome set Affleck. Now we had Affleck set and the chrome of it. Wow. Alright. Hopefully I still have the auto. I don't remember if that took place of the auto or not. So let's see. looking for that McCutcheon. I got a X Factor, Christian Garcia. And that's numbered to 125. I think it's one of the first years they had X Factors. And David Wright Chrome. I think that's it. So I think the Affleck took replace those auto. I did get the jersey though. Pretty fun break. I got the 2 Felix. Didn't get a McCutcheon. A couple David Wrights. And I got this jersey card. Jason Kubel. That's it for throwback. I enjoy doing these throwback breaks. I'll probably do a lot more. They're fun to do. For $30, couldn't beat the chance on a nice card. That's it. Thanks for watching.